am going to show you how you can create these viral videos with free automated tool called Filmora. You might have seen these types of shorts all over the internet. The reason for people to use them is because of the spectacular results they can achieve. This is why nowadays growing businesses are paying thousands of dollars to creators, and you can become one by using just one tool called Filmora. Now the news for you is that the skill is very easy to learn and it requires only free editing tool Filmora application. This video is for you if you want to increase your social media presence. If you want to scale up your business or you want to learn this valuable skill to provide content repurposing service to your clients. So today's video is divided into 3 easy steps. 1. Aspect ratio. 2. Captions and emojis. 3. Music and sound effects. To change the aspect ratio from 16 to 9 to 9:16, first change the aspect ratio of video to 9:16, and then crop the ratio of the clip. If you want to change the aspect ratio to 9:16 to 16 to 9, change aspect ratio of the video first and then crop clip to 16 to 9. Do you know which videos are performing well on social media? Videos that contain proper closed captions, expressive emoji and the theme-based images or stickers. Captions boost video performance by making content accessible to a wider audience, including those with hearing impairments. Many users watch videos without sound, so captions ensure they still engage with the content. Captions also improve viewer retention and increase interactions, leading to better visibility and overall performance on social media platforms. Now that you understand the importance of using captions, head towards Filmora and add new project. So the technique to add emoji stickers or other elements is to go word by word. Pick any prominent word from the sentence and add any element matching with that word. Here is the method explained. Don't forget to give animations to these elements. If required, remove background from the element with the help of chroma key. You can add images in the background as well. Now let's talk about sound effects used in videos. Go to Audio Sound Effects. And either search or select from the list of sound effects given. Giving you a tip. Mostly creators are using whoosh, ding, cheek pop sounds in their videos. And place sound effect that you decide on at the beginning of the element used. Depending upon on the requirement and background audio, adjust the volume of the sound effect. You can copy-paste same sound effect at multiple spots. That's it for now. For more detailed videos on editing, watch out for my other tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe.